having fun in class? That's great! Today, we are going to take a look on how to create a character on Adobe Illustrator. Alright, first of all, Adobe Illustrator is a software that allows you to draw, create shapes, insert color, and make beautiful artwork. So, in this quick tutorial, you will see how I create a character for any game, comics, or animations. Do you know what is character? Why is it important to create a well-designed character for any animation? I'm pretty sure you have watched a lot of animations before. You have Encanto, Monster Universe, the SpongeBob movie, How to Train Your Dragon, Toy Story, Frozen, and more. Well, a character enhances the effects as well as impression of a story. In fact, stories and character complement each other. A specialized animation maker can easily create a character which can make people emotionally involved with it. And that is why we create a character that you will love and remember. Okay, students, now it is your turn to share with the class what is your favorite character and what makes you love the character. Are you ready? Let's go!